Your TI-84 Evo has a finance app with a TVM solver built into it, and it'll work out a loan payment for you without the formula. It's one of the apps on the grid. Press the On key to bring that grid up. Arrow across to the green money icon. The bar along the top names it Finance. Press Enter to open it, and it starts you on a list of finance tools, with the TVM solver right at the top. Press Enter again to open it up. Each line here is one part of the money problem, and you fill in every line except the one you want to find. Let's find the monthly payment on the loan up top. $10,000 at 6% over 5 years. N is the number of payments. 5 years of monthly payments is 60, so type 60 and press Enter. I% is the yearly interest rate, so type 6 and press Enter. PV is the present value, the loan itself. Type 10,000 and press Enter. It goes in positive because the bank hands that money to you. Leave the payment line blank, since that's the value we're solving for, and press Enter to move past it. Future value is 0 because the loan is paid off at the end, so type 0 and press Enter. And P over Y is the payments per year, so type 12 for monthly and press Enter. C over Y, how often the interest compounds, fills in with the same 12 automatically. Okay, now arrow back up to the payment line, the one we left blank. To press Solve, use the key right below it, the graph key. There's the payment, negative $193.33 every month. It's negative because it's money leaving your pocket. That's it. More TI-84 Evo tutorials at calcplex.com.